Hello.
Hi. What are we doing?
Brakes.
Right.
So we're going to replace all the discs around. So we've got C-hook discs, courtesy of Antec for the front. And then we've got main discs around the back. I've got another computer. Quite a simple video. It's going to be quite fun. We'll be doing this with no assistance. So this is really going to be fun. But I think we should. We've got that.
It's only brakes. It's only safety.
It's only brakes.
It's fine.
If it fails, it fails. You know, we've got another life to try. So, yeah, cool.
Yeah, definitely. I think if you looked at our previous videos, you will see that the brakes are really, really bad.
Yeah.
So they got to go.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And the pads on them have got really good life, and they're meant to be green stuff pads. You can kind of see the colouring. You will see it closer when we're doing the work. But yeah, I mean that's it. Really.
Let's get cracking.
Cool. I think that is the checking point. Right there.
You can see where it's rusted away.
Yeah. Where there's a whole load of spills, should I say. Just as we were trying to get the other caliper bolt off, look what we found. Yes, another thing to fix. Project car. Or not. Just forward.
There you go. Class mechanics.
In it?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh.
That's the caliper off. Oh yeah, but wait, it's got a. I got to try and find someone to put it.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't watch this, please. Don't take what we're about to do.
This is not a how-to video.
Yeah, it's really not.
This is a we are trying video, and possibly failing. Okay, so screws out, disc off, new one going on. That looks a fair bit nicer than the other one. Look at that.
Lovely.
That's good. That's good.
Beautiful. I've already wiped off the grease on it, degreased it. So now, caliper and carrier back on.
That'll be good.
Yes. Now here's the part where I'm like, oh yeah, we've got to put the... yeah. So yeah. Oh wait, no, the carrier's got to go on first. Well, at least we could definitely say they are green stuff pads, and there's loads of life in them. Look at that.
Yeah, they look good. They look good.
They're like new. Wait, no, that's this way. Definitely this way.
Definitely that way.
Definitely this way.
People at home screaming.
I know.
What's he doing?
What is this child doing?
Hello. Let's just pretend we didn't see that.
Right. You got this. I imagine you'll need wheel nuts. They're behind you in the box.
Fine. We'll line it up first.
You guys don't want to see Callum's cheeks anyway, it's all good.
One eternity later.
done.
Indeed.
Taken a little while. Many days, weeks, months, house move in between. But we've done it. The main issue was retaining screws, wasn't it?
Yeah, retaining screws and people not using copper grease whilst working on a car before.
Yeah.
It is important, it's so vital. So yeah, but we've got so much more going on. I know that's quite tame, especially for a project car.
It's big for us though, isn't it?
It's big for us, yeah. That's the first time I've actually changed brakes properly, like without any kind of assistance. I know you might have seen my dad here and there, but trust me, that was minor, very small, very small. So yeah.
Well, good. All right. We'll see you in the next one.
Indeed. And do like and subscribe. Like,
please.
We've got a lot coming on, and yeah, it does help.
Yeah,
it does help. So yeah.
Cool.
Au revoir.